All right, got a Craftsman 6.75 horsepower lawn mower. I'm gonna change the spark plug on it. The first thing you gotta do is just disconnect this lead to the spark plug. Then this particular spark plug has a 22 millimeter hex nut. And this brand is Champion RJ19HX.
Oh?
Went to the hardware store, got an equivalent from NGK, I think. Let's check it out. Okay, let's put this one in. This particular one is BR2-LM. That's from NGK again. Okay. All right, I'm gonna torque it a little bit, not too much. And there we go. Just connect the lead back. We'll keep the old one just in case if something goes wrong. Okay. I'm just gonna check the oil on this. There's already some gas in there. But I definitely have to change the oil on this one, so I guess that would be in my next video. There's this cloth that I used to have. Yeah, I definitely need to clean my garage. It's a huge mess here. Summer vacation's coming up. Guess what I'll be doing? Ah, whatever. Let's just take one of those. Okay, let's just check the level at least. Don't want the engine to seize. Gotta add whatever we're missing. Okay, it's not full, but it's not empty either. It's somewhere in between. Strangely enough, the oil is quite, it's not that dirty. Anyway, I'm gonna change it because last year I didn't. Let's give it a try. Let's see. The air filter was all clogged up. Use the little nylon brush to remove all of this. You can vacuum it as well if you have a nozzle that will fit in between those paper crevices. Let's put it back. Actually, it goes this way. All right. This thing has like 3 teeth that slide into their corresponding slots. And then you just install a screw on the top portion. All right, it started before, so I hope it will now. right. Let's get the party started.